Hi, I'm Jake with Hearted Reflections, and today we're looking at European Walnut. I tell you what, this makes a gorgeous countertop. But a couple things, we sell these things unfinished on HomeDepot.com and in the stores at Home Depot. When it arrives at your house, it's gonna look like this. And we get calls all the time, and it's like, Jake, I got this wood in my house, it looks light, it doesn't look like walnut. Well, that's because we only sell unfinished walnut, and it's up to you to finish it however you'd like. But the second you apply a mineral oil, a conditioner, a polyurethane, or a stain, it darkens right up. So what we actually did here was we took this and put polyurethane on the top of it, just a clear polyurethane, and look at what it became. I mean, this thing is a gorgeous kitchen, and it really wasn't very expensive. We did some really neat things with this, and I tell you what, if you're looking for a countertop that'll really change your kitchen, you change your focal point, this is a fantastic choice. I really think you should consider buying this. It really will not let you down and you'll be happy.